In our last lecture, we looked at binding multiple IP addresses to one interface card. In this lecture, we're going to take multiple interface cards and bind one IP address to them. And that's really called bonding. It's the act of taking these 2, 3, 4 interfaces and turning them into basically one with one IP address. This not only brings redundancy to our network, because if we lose one of the interfaces, there's 3 other ones to pick it up. It also increases the throughput for us. So speed is greatly increased by that. So we can do that in VirtualBox. And what we need to do is we need to go over to our server 1 machine, right-click, Settings, and then go over to Network Storage. And this first one you see right here, when it boots up, this is ETH0. This is ETH1. This is the one that actually points out to the internet on our network. And this one is going to be ETH2. And this is the one we'll enable. And all we have to do is to make sure that it's on the same internal network as ETH0. Because remember, we're going to turn this whole inside into a completely isolated virtual network with servers and workstations. So we'll take 3. We'll enable it, and we'll say that it's attached to the internal network. And then we'll click OK. And then I'll start it up. Once it's up, I'll move on from here, and then we'll actually go through and bond those interfaces.